myself. I'm Shabir, and I'm the first Indian to win a silver medal at the Asian Championship. It's a great honor for me to get a medal for the country, and it was a great experience overall because first time we won a medal at the Asian level, and of course it's a proud moment for every Indian to win something for the country. And uh, I would like to thank my coaches. They were amazing. They were very positive towards my game, and they had helped me with a lot of techniques before the tournament. And the dedication and the hard work what we put in, we yielded results. And then the the plan for the next tournament is we'll be playing quite a few opens the coming year, because there are not many major medal events. It is only next year Jan, which is the Commonwealth Championship. We'll be preparing that from October 2015, and I would like to say that the status of Tamil Nadu bowling is, people have to learn the technique right. Need the infrastructure has to be there. There's very less infrastructure in Tamil Nadu, so so the so the competition of the Tamil Nadu bowlers is, the standard is a little low, but I'm sure if they take up this sport sincerely and dedicatedly, I think even they'll be able to reach a certain level soon.
India has won its first medal at the 23rd Asian 10-pin bowling championship. Shabir Duncourt of India went on to win silver medal for the country in the men's singles event. This is the first medal won by India at the Asian level. India has earlier won medals at the Commonwealth level only. We had won the first medal in the year 2002 at the Commonwealth. Sheikh Abdul Hamid had won, followed by 4-member team which won a bronze medal in 2011. But at the Asian level, we had never won a medal in the past. This is the first time after years of hard work. Shabir Duncourt went on to win with a glorious effort. It was a historic moment for us to win a silver medal for the country. 22 countries participated in this championship, and 125 men bowlers competed in this event. So it is a very proud moment when Shabir competed against world champion Shoaib Akhum and the Asian Games medalist Shakar Al-Hasan from UAE, and Asian Games gold medalist Yanapon of Thailand. Beating all of them, Shabir went on to win silver medal. He missed the gold by a narrow 6-pin difference. It was a good effort from our side. But on the same note, I would like to record that it was a bit disappointment when the government did not recognize the performance of the 10-pin bowlers and dropped the team from competing at the Asian game which was held at Incheon. So we request and we appeal government to take 10-pin bowling as a serious sport, having put in an excellent performance in the year 2014 when Hamid went on to win the Asian bowling tour at Bangkok. Dhruv Sharda went on to finish 5th at Malaysian Open. Parvez Ahmed went on to finish 5th in Taipei Open, and now Shabir Duncourt who went on to win silver medal at the Asian Championship. Our bowlers have put in fantastic performance. Now time for government to recognize this performance and lend support to this sport, so that we are in a position to produce more champions in years to come.